You know what? We're getting another massive snowstorm next Sunday. It's another 30 centimeter. Yeah. It's pretty much hard, but that's life here. Second day after the massive snowstorm that we got last Thursday, the city is finally cleaning up the roads, and they are preparing everything for tomorrow, the second massive snowstorm of the season. Last couple of years, we haven't got, and I would say we haven't really got such a back-to-back snowfall within like 3 days, right? So this is really different and intense. See, I love snow, but at the same time, it's gonna cause a lot of trouble around because it's today it's Saturday, so from Saturday night till Monday morning, we're going to get a lot of snow. They said close to 40 centimeters of snow. We don't know what to expect in Montreal. So there's a lot to do. Let's wait and watch. So the snowstorm has started, and as you can see, it's crystal clear. Second part of snowstorm is here, and it just started. Looks like it's going to be another round, another big 30 to 40 centimeters of snow. It looks immense. So we are in a massive snowstorm again, the second big snowstorm of the season in Montreal, and we are getting, they said, approx 40 centimeters of snow, and it's a lot of blowing snow. It's really cold than usual winter storms. Man, the snowstorm is insane. It's blowing snow. I can't even barely see it. I have to get in my car. Man, I feel like it for this winterfall. Yeah. Oh my god. It's really cold outside today. Usually when we have a snowstorm, the weather should be, mostly it's warm. It's around 0 to -5 degree, but today it's more than -20. Yeah, it's more than that, and it's really cold. Blowing snow hasn't stopped since the morning, since I came to work, so man. As you can see, it's a total mess. It's difficult to go outside, and it's a massive snowstorm. Like, I haven't seen such a storm in a while, so it's definitely a fresh new experience.